Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. This month, Ford is celebrating the 100th anniversary of its Chicago assembly plant. It has been a century since the plant's first Model Ts rolled off the line, and Ford Heritage brand manager Ted Ryan says it has continuously operated ever since.
In the lifetime, in the 100 years since, they've built over 15 million vehicles in Chicago.
That's from the Model T on up to, what's it doing today?
Today it is actually doing the all-new Explorer, the Aviator, and the Police Interceptor. The Police Interceptor is an interesting one. So basically it's an Explorer, but then it's sent to an upfitter
to customize the conversion based on the needs of various police departments. Find more about the history at FordHeritageVault.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.